Hey guys, Kathy here with Dirty Booty Soaps, and as promised here we're doing another pumpkin spice video. This one's gonna hopefully look like little dessert cakes. I'm doing it in my cube mold here, and I'm not making a huge batch, just a smaller batch. I plan on layering a few different colors, doing some piping on the top and a little dusting on top of the white with some of the copper mica here. It should look really cute, hopefully, if things turn out. I am not going to color my white, and I'm not going to fragrance my white, and I'm not going to fragrance this light gold because I don't want them to turn dark brown from the pumpkin fragrance. So I'm going to divide my soap batter into 4 different parts, and then I'll pour fragrance into the 2 darker portions, which being the copper sparkle here and the gingerbread brown, which is here. Those 2 parts will be fragrance. So anyway, that's my plan. Actually, you know what? I might fragrance the light. I'm thinking, because if you look at my pumpkin spice soap that I just made not that long ago, the light gold really hasn't discolored too much. I don't know. Well, we'll wing it and see what we feel like, because, you know, I always change my mind. So we'll get started here. I'm going to pour my lye water in down the side here. We'll get to blending just to enough to incorporate everything together, like so. I'll give it a little zhuzh with the blender. I'll put this here, and we'll get to going. Give it a good burp, and then we'll divide it off. Well, I tell you, it's always something with those dogs. I don't know what they bark at half the time. So let me pour this, I think, into 4 pretty equal portions. Hopefully. Let's save that for the white. Maybe not quite as much for the white. My husband upstairs yelling, "Quiet." Doesn't realize. Yeah, I'm videoing. Oh. Anyway, he was yelling at the dogs. So okay, those are all pretty equal. This one I will save for my piping. So actually, I will mix that in so I can get it to setting up. Plus, it's the lightest color. I always try and mix from lightest to darkest. So let me give that a quick zhuzh. Oops. Get titanium dioxide on my mixer. Okay. So we'll let that sit up. And then we'll do our light gold. Let's see. I think maybe, yeah, I don't think I'm going to put fragrance in that one. Let's see, we'll put that one here. Put that off to the side. And we'll put this one here. Oop. Don't want you in there. And our gingerbread brown right there. Like that. So just kind of quickly mix that. Give it a little stir, and then we'll hit it with the blender, each one of these. And get it fairly thick. Okay, so there's my white. Now, we'll pour it in. What the heck? Smells so good. Oh, so good. Okay, so we'll go from light to dark. Give it a little burp. Okay, so there's that one. I haven't decided how I want to layer this color-wise. I think I want copper on the top. And maybe I'll put the gingerbread brown on the bottom. Okay. Okay, so find my little push button here, and we'll clean that off. Like so. Okay, I'm stuck. There we go. All right, so I got my mold. Bring my mold over. Let's see, we're going to put the copper on the top. We'll put the light in the middle. If you see this little X, that's because I have a cut in this mold somewhere. So I put that there to remind myself not to pour into this one. But I'm only doing not a bunch of these, so we'll start pouring, trying to get an even amount in each. Get this a little bit more in this one. And I think last but not least, we'll put whatever I can scrape out into this one. So it looks like we're going to get 9, I think, of these. So there's the dark. And I will tap it down. A little on the table, just to kind of even that out. Then we're going to go to the light. Ooh, it's starting to thicken. So you know what I might do? I don't know where my spoons are at. I was going to spoon it in here, but I'll slowly try and get a layer on top of this. I think once I bang this down again, this should spread out pretty evenly. I love to make, if you've watched me for a while, you know I love to make these dessert looking soaps. They're fun little gift soaps. And they're very tasty smelling. All right, last, try and get a bunch out of this one. Very tasty smelling, very fun. Elegant little soaps. And try and get a little bit more out here. Put it in here, I guess. All right, so there's that. Let me bang this down again. Put my glasses back down. You never know when it's going to splash up at you. I'm going to do this on the floor. So kind of even. I need another spatula. You still able to see that, I hope? Yeah. Okay, so we're thickening up here. Thickening up. Just give it another little stir. And get this copper on the top. They almost look like the Nanaimo bars coloring. It's pretty cool. Very fall-like colors. I hope I have enough on this one. Try and smooth these out here. And I'll bang it down again. And then I'll do my piping. Hope I have enough. Oh. Let's see here. If I get quiet, it's because I'm concentrating. I usually do that when I'm piping a lot. I get like really quiet. Guess that's where I could have some soothing YouTube music playing. And we spread that out a little. And then I'm going to bang it down. So that there. Bang it again. See, that's why you wear your glasses, because just in case some spits up. Anyway, wipe that up. And now we're going to pipe, which look at that, it's perfect for piping. So I got my little bag set up here. We'll just spoon that in. Again, this white does not have fragrance because I didn't want it to turn dark. I want to keep it white. And get every little bit out we can here. Okay, good enough. Okay, so there's that. And give it a twist. And we'll do a little bit on each one, because I want to make sure I have enough. I don't want to run out before I get some on every piece. All right, so we've got some on every, whoops, every bit. Now we'll come and hit them again and top it off nicely. Like so. Knock off my piping tip in there. And then we'll come back and hit it with some of this beautiful copper sparkle. Put that in my little strainer. Like so. Give you a little bit more there. And there we go. We will let these sit up, like I said, for like a day, maybe two, depending on how quick they are to set up and get out of here. So that's it for now. We'll come back in just a second and let you see the final product. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back, and I have popped these out of the mold the next day. I think because they were smaller, they came out easier. And here we go. Here's our little pumpkin spice cake soaps. Aren't they cute? And the colors are perfect for autumn, and I love the layers. They turned out really cute. Look at that. Just looks so edible, doesn't it? Like little chocolate caramel looking cheesecake pieces, but they're pumpkin spice. And they're soap. No calories. So imagine you have one of these on your counter for guests to use during the holidays. That would be kind of a cute idea. Go wash your hands with some pumpkin spice soap. Perfect for fall. So thanks again for watching. And I hope you like this video. Please hit subscribe if you do, and you'll be notified whenever a new one pops up. And anyway, they're too cute. Pumpkin spice cold processed soap. Done up like a little dessert. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great Labor Day weekend, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.